Hello students, today we are going to start our new exercise, that is linear equation of word problem. Now our first question is, if 7 is added to 5 times a number, the result is 57. First we need to read the question very carefully and then we need to work according to it. So we need to find the number. So first thing, we will assume that let the number is n. Now 7 is added to 5 times a number. 5 times n and 7 is added. The result is equal to sign 57, equals to 57. Now we need to solve for n. So first thing, we will get rid of this 7. So 7 is added here, on the other side it will be subtracted. So 5n equals to 57 minus 7, that is 5n equals to 50. Now here 5 is multiplied with n, so on the other side it will be divided. So n equals to 50 by 5, that is n equals to 10. So the number is our 10. This is our answer. Now let's move on to next question. A number is as much greater than 15 as it is less than 51. Find the number. Now here we will assume again number is n here. Okay. Now it is given that it is greater than 15 and is less than 51. So here I will subtract 15 from n, and which will be equal to 51 minus n. Now I will bring the n terms on one side and numbers on one side. So here n plus n, and this 15 will go on other side, so it will be added. So here n plus n is 2n and 51 plus 15 is 66. Now n here 2 is multiplied with n, so on the other side it will be divided. So n equals to 66 by 2, or n can be written as 33. So the answer is 33. Now let's move on to next question. Here the sum of two numbers is 80. The greater number exceeds twice the smaller by 11. Find the number. So let us assume that two numbers are x and y, and we can assume that x is greater and y is smaller. So I am assuming x is greater and y is smaller. Now the sum of two numbers is 80. So adding these two numbers, I will get 80. So our first equation is x plus y equals to 80. Now it is saying the greater number exceeds twice the smaller number by 11. So greater number is x, and twice the smaller number means 2y, and x equals to 2y plus 11. Now what I can do here, the value of x from here I can substitute in this. So in place of x I am writing 2y plus 11 here. So 2y plus 11 plus y equals to 80. Now y plus 2y will give you 3y plus 11 equals to 80. Now here it is added, so on other side it will be subtracted. So 3y equals to 80 minus 11 is 69. Now I can just divide 69 with 3 to solve for y. So y equals to 23. So our smaller number is 23. Now to get the bigger number, I can just substitute 23 in this equation. So here our value x will be equal to your 57. Now move on to next question. Here find the three consecutive odd natural numbers whose sum is 87. So see how we get next odd number. If I have 3, I will get next odd number by adding 2 in it. Again I will get next odd number by adding 2 in it. So if I am taking first odd number as x, next odd number will be x plus 2, and another odd number will be x plus 4. So here I am taking our three consecutive odd numbers. First is your x, another is x plus 2, and next is x plus 4. Now the sum of all these is 87. So x plus 2 plus x plus 4 is 87. Now x plus x will give 3x, and 2 plus 4 is 6 equals to 87. Now 6 is subtracted on other side. So 3x is equal to 87 minus 6, that is 3x is equal to 81. Now 3 is multiplied with x, so on the other side it will be divided. So x equals to 81 by 3, or we can write x equals to 27. So our numbers are 27, 29 and 31. Okay. So the question is, in a class of 35 students, the number of girls is 2/5 the number of boys. Find the number of girls in the class. So let us assume that the number of boys be x and so if the number of boys is x, now it is given that girl is 2/5 of the number of boys. So girl is 2/5 of number of boys. Number of boys is x. Now we know that adding girls and boys will give you the total number of students. So total number of students is 35. So number of girls plus number of boys is 35. Now number of girls is your 2/5x and number of boys is x. So from here I can write the equation 2/5x plus x equals to 3/5. Now I can take the LCM. LCM is 5. Here I will get 2x plus 5x equals to 35. Now x plus 2x plus 5x will give you 7x by 5 equals to 35. Now this 5 will be multiplied here and 7 will be divided. So x equals to 35 into 5 divided by 7, that is equal to 25. So 25 are the number of boys. Now we need to find out the number of girls. Number of girls are 2/5 of number of boys. So 2/5 into 5. Now 5 cancels out with 25, you will get 5 and 5 times 2 is 10. So the number of girls are 10. So this is our answer.